hi, today we're going to have a little session with our would-be member, Miss Usha, as well as Miss Soumya has come, representing in Unity. So, Usha, this is your first program with the GHRC.
Yeah.
So, what exactly have you gathered from the program today? You have come all the way down, on a train early morning just for this. She's come wheeling her luggage to the program. So, please do let us know, what are you
Well,
taking?
first of all, I would like to thank Shubha because the spontaneousness with which you have helped me reach here, and the first attraction of this was for me to attend this was Dr. Talamvi Rao, because I know him since I was doing my MSc internship with Tata Steel. So I know him as in I have read his book in the Tata Steel library. So it was a dream come true today through you, through the forum.
For us
That
to-
yes, that I learned from him live, not virtually, because. In this age of virtuality, we have lost the human touch, and I have seen in the business world no one as
Experience, you
as
can say.
humane as Dr. Rao, the first person who I've seen. There's also another person who is my mentor, who's my current mentor, and my dad. Just the three people all together. So in the business world, there's no other humane person as Dr. Talamvi Rao, and yeah. So that's the reason I left everything at home, and I said, even if it is,
And you
if
took a train in the morning?
even if I don't get a reserve ticket, I am here. That's it. Thank you so much,
We're
Shubha.
very delighted to have you like that here.
you so much.
And Soumya, thanks for coming too. And she represents in Unity. What would you like to say about the program, about GHRC? You can say anything.
Yeah. So I was introduced to GHRC quite recently through my CEO Johnson, who's working closely with Mr. Shrikant. And for me, till now, it was like I was just looking at it on a surface level. But now I know that it is great to be part of a community like that where I can learn, because especially since I'm in a startup,
Yeah.
so how I can help my company to scale.
Correct.
So that's the reason why I think it would be great to be a part of this community and learn a lot from this community.
Yeah. I think we will also be having a few programs with Mr. Johnson and all.
Yes,
in the
I heard that we are having a GHRC
Correct.
Mangalore
We'll be
chapter.
having co-creating programs, kind
Okay.
of, with all the directory
Yeah.
listing members. So that's another feature that we brought out in GHRC.
All right.
So we'll be very glad, and we're waiting to see when this is going to
Yeah,
happen. for
definitely.
us.
Would love to be a part of it and contribute in our way.
Yeah,
However.
sure. Thanks
Thank
a lot,
you so
both of
much.
you, and thanks for coming too.
Thank you. I